Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona, and this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, they said, I went to the USPTO trademark database and I saw a phrase trademark and it had an exclamation point at the end of the phrase. What does that mean exactly? Can I still use the phrase without the exclamation point? Okay, so when you apply for a trademark, you have to tell the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office exactly what you're claiming as your trademark, which includes things like punctuation sometimes. If you want that to be part of your trademark, you have to include it. And then when you use your trademark, you have to use that punctuation every time. So whoever this person is who has a phrase like a slogan with an exclamation point always has to use the exclamation point when they use their trademark. What does this mean for you? Are you still allowed to use this phrase? Well, it depends. Are you using it as a trademark? Because if you are, that could be infringement. If your product or service is confusingly similar to what this person who already registered the slogan is using it on. But if it's a completely different product or service, or if you're just using it as a sentence or a phrase, that's not problematic. So, for example, Paris Hilton has a trademark for the phrase "that's hot" for a couple different categories of products and services. That doesn't mean that she's allowed to stop everybody else on the planet from using the phrase "that's hot" if you are actually talking about hot things. So, whether you're talking literally or figuratively. What it does, it stops other people from using that trademark or a confusingly similar one on the same types of products and services that she's using her trademark on. So I hope that clarifies things. Could you use this phrase just as a phrase? Sure. What you can't do is use it as a trademark, because if it's confusingly similar and the only difference between what they're claiming as their trademark and what you're doing is they have an exclamation point and yours doesn't, that's going to be too similar. People are going to be confused about whose product they're buying. So, but if you're just talking about it's a phrase that you want to use because it's a good phrase, it just fits the situation, that's fine. That's not a trademark problem. So, of course, watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship with any viewer. It contains merely legal information, not legal advice. If you need legal advice, go hire somebody. I put out new content every week, so please subscribe to the channel. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.